Hey guys, Shelly's J.A. Bickle. Welcome to fall. I've never tried to make a pumpkin loaf or pumpkin bread, so in this recipe, I'll be showing you how I made this. So I pulled together 3 eggs, quarter cup vegetable oil, and I mix this in with 1 stick butter. Then once I finished mixing, I added a little bit of brown sugar and a little bit of granulated sugar. The recipe required more sugar, but I wanted to do less sugar. Then I added in 1 tin of pumpkin puree and I mixed this in. On the side, I had my powdered ingredients, which included flour, nutmeg, baking soda, baking powder, vanilla, allspice, and then I combined my liquid into the flour mixture. I added almond, vanilla, a little lemon zest for the egg, and I just mixed this until the flour was evenly mixed in to this. Heated my oven to 350 degrees and I'll be baking this in the oven at 350 degrees. Grease my tin and then I poured my batter into my tin. If you've made it this far, what you also mean? Follow my channel, like, share, drop a comment. Grease my tin and then I added in my mixture. Now my oven is already preheated, and then to get the air bubble out, I just quickly knocked this on my counter. And yes, I am not a baker, but I love to bake. I also bake Christmas cakes. I also make great banana bread or banana loaf, whatever you call it. So I know I would not fail on this one. Add nuts, walnut, whatever nut you prefer. If you have peanut allergy, there are other nuts that you can add. That is optional. I shake everything in the pan, shake it, shake it, shake it. Then I added some walnuts on this, added to the oven to bake. This took 1 hour, 10 minutes. If you need the ingredients listed, I can add them for you. And listen, I got a fall pumpkin loaf. It was moist. It tasted really, really good. And guess what? It did not taste sweet. Watch what you eat. A tiny piece won't do no harm. Don't eat too much of this. I tell you, I'm already addicted. I love fall. It's my favorite time of the year. Fall. Yes, it is. And your girl pumpkin loaf came out looking bomb. It was scrumptious. It was delicious. I know there's not such a word. It's delicious. But guys, don't forget to like, follow, share, follow your girl, support my journey. Seasoning blends update will be coming sooner than you think. Drop in the comment section and let me know. Drop the recipes so you too can try this. I won't gatekeep. Bye.